Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Facebook notifications for specific accounts step by step clearly. To disable Facebook notifications for specific accounts, start by opening the Facebook app or website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile of the account for which you want to turn off notifications. Click on their name to access their profile page. On their profile, find and click on the Friends button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit Friend Lists. In the options presented, choose Unfollow to stop seeing their posts in your newsfeed. Next, return to your main newsfeed. Click on the downward arrow in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Notifications. Scroll down to the Manage Notifications section. Here, you'll see different categories for notifications. Look specifically for the section labeled Friends or People. Click on it to see a list of accounts you receive notifications from. Find the specific account you wish to disable notifications for. Once you locate it, select the option to adjust notifications. You can choose to turn off notifications completely or customize them. Finally, save your changes to apply the new settings. You have successfully disabled notifications for the specific account. Repeat these steps for any other accounts you wish to adjust. Your notifications will now be more tailored to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.